So recently I bought this Ferguson. It's a 1947 TE-20, and already it's got a puncture because, well, these were water ballast because it's been a loader for a long time. I've actually got the front loader as well, it's just out there. But where is it? This came on it. Bit dodgy that. So this is leaking air. So I've jacked it up and we're gonna take this tyre off. Out that when I took the took the plug out of the wheel, it was water ballast. So yeah, that came out, and a lot of old water in it. This tractor has been a loader for most of its life, so it doesn't really surprise me. Yeah, so I'm just trying to get it all out now. Alright, so after a lot of struggle, it is off. We have, here's the top, well, here's the tube, and it's quite horrible and gross, but anyway, it's off now. Gave them both a bit of a power wash. Unfortunately don't have a gator today, but we're going to get that tomorrow, hopefully. Patch is now on, and I've rubbed some chalk over it just to not get the glue to stick to my tyre. So I'd say that's pretty much done. All that's left now is to put it back in there.